What's the meaning of cumulative? Cumulative. Cumulative.
Cumulative. Cumulative. The term cumulative refers to the accumulation or gradual increase of something over time. It is used to describe the total amount or effect of something that has built up over a period of time, rather than just a single occurrence. For example, cumulative medication refers to the overall effect of a series of doses over time. A cumulative GPA reflects the total GPA over multiple semesters or years. In essence, cumulative describes the combined impact or amount of something as it builds up or progresses over time.